Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can revolutionize the way you light up your home, the PHILIPS Hue Indoor 10-foot Smart RGBWW LED Lightstrip Base Kit. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The PHILIPS Hue Lightstrip is a versatile and innovative lighting solution designed to create an extraordinary ambience in any space in your home. With a length of 10 feet, this light strip is perfect for a variety of indoor applications. Whether you want to enhance your living room, bedroom, or even your kitchen, this product can adapt to your needs and preferences. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the standout features that make this light strip a must-have. First and foremost, you'll experience 1,700 lumens of brilliant light output. This means that the light produced is not only bright but also comfortable to the touch, thanks to its premium silicone sleeve with a milky white finish. This design ensures that the light strip blends seamlessly into any environment, giving you a clean and polished look. One of the most impressive aspects of the PHILIPS Hue Lightstrip is its use of RGBWW LEDs. This technology allows for true colors and pure white light, meaning that you won't get washed-out hues when you want vibrant colors or a dull glow when you're looking for crisp whites. This feature sets it apart from many other LED strips on the market, which often mix colors to create white light. Installation is a breeze with the PHILIPS Hue Lightstrip. You can easily cut the strip to fit your specific space, allowing for a customized installation. Once you've cut it, all you need to do is stick it in place, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Just keep in mind that once you cut the strip, you can't reconnect it, so make sure to measure carefully. This light strip is particularly suitable for those who enjoy smart home technology. It can be easily controlled through the Hue app, giving you the ability to adjust brightness, colors, and even set schedules for your lighting. For those who've invested in smart home systems, this light strip is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, allowing for voice control and integration with other smart devices. In terms of practical use cases, the possibilities are nearly endless. You can use the light strip to create a cozy atmosphere in your living room during movie nights by dimming the lights to a soft hue. Alternatively, you might want to set it to a vibrant color to energize your workspace or create a festive mood for gatherings and celebrations. Installing it under cabinets or along staircases can also enhance safety while adding a modern touch to your home decor. For larger areas, like dining rooms or open-concept spaces, the PHILIPS Hue Lightstrip can help unify the lighting theme and create a cohesive look. It's also great for accent lighting, illuminating artwork or architectural features in your home. Plus, if you choose to expand your smart lighting system, you can unlock the full power of the Hue ecosystem by adding a Hue bridge. This allows for automations, remote control from anywhere, and a secure and stable connection. In summary, the PHILIPS Hue Indoor 10-foot Smart RGBWW LED Lightstrip Base Kit is a brilliant lighting solution for anyone looking to enhance their home ambience with smart technology. Its ease of installation, vibrant colors, and compatibility with various smart home systems make it a fantastic choice for tech-savvy homeowners or anyone wanting to add a unique touch to their living spaces. Thanks for watching.